So you guys just saw multiple little drops fall out. I'm not going to worry about it. If we think about the body having energy, it often calls what it needs. Now some of you are going to go, oh my God, that's so much oil. Howie's not going to be a problem. You're going to sit down, buddy. Sit down. Sometimes you just got to go with what you can get done, right? You'll also notice that I did not use a carrier oil. I know. So I'm just taking fingers on each side of that spine so I can hold him still since we're up on the counter. It's a very sensitive area for him. He's actually higher in the back end than he is in the shoulders, so this is not a surprise. I know, buddy. I know. I know. Stop. You're okay. You're okay. So we've done oregano, basil, and thyme. Next is wintergreen. I know, Howie, this is hurting my back. Okay. Now, you guys remember me talking about auripilation? Look at what's happening all through here. And you may say, that's because I did it. It's not. Do you see all these little hairs standing up? That's called auripilation. Howie, it's okay. It's okay. With cypress, we shake a lot. Oops. Oh, that one's empty. That one's empty. There you go. So this is not the actual technique. I'm just trying to make him a little more comfortable. It's okay. And you'll notice I would get in trouble in my class for not using two hands, but he's itty bitty and I need to hold it. you need a chiropractic adjustment? Your shoulder's bothering you? Howie's close to 19, so this will make him feel better. Can't run away. Well, can't run away. Howie is stuck. So this one is marjoram. And if I were going to use an additional oil to support a specific emotion or system of the body, it gets applied after marjoram. And now is where we move into those additional techniques. So just a little scratchy, aka the free scrub. I know. You're working too hard. Quit now. Quit. Never on the spine. You like that one better? I know. Good boy. Good boy. Just little bits of pressure here. Now if I could turn him around I would, but I can't, so I'm gonna go, it looks like it's counterclockwise to me, but it's not, it's clockwise to him, to his head. Remember that rocking motion we talked about when we started? Whoops. Whoop. There's just a gentle pressure. Good boy, good boy. And I don't shake the neck, but I will scruff the skin. Should have included that on the other video. I know. This is called a skin roll. It's not officially a technique in the raindrop because you can't really do it to people. We don't have enough excess skin, but my dogs seem to like it. So what you're seeing is he's very tender today. Very tender. Okay. Okay. I know, we will call the chiropractor. I know, my goodness. Moving to peppermint. This whole area for him seems to be painful today. There's a really good example of oropilation. I don't know if you can see it. So I will go, honestly y'all, it's kind of his whole spine, right? But I'll show you how we go look that up. And keep in mind, Howie is, I think, a little over 18, maybe 18 and a half-ish. We are not really sure. It could be closer to 19. I don't really know. And then the last one is aromacide. Some people choose not to finish with this one, but because it's actually a blend of several essential oils. So now I'm just going to come rub his legs. All those oils are on my hand, so he's going to get it on his legs and his feet. You are fussing today. I know. It's okay. We can be done. So that wasn't the prettiest. Wasn't the prettiest, but we got it done. We got the oils on him. Okay, let you go. Shake it off.